Hi, everyone, and happy return to the Help Coin. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day. Tuesday is the entire day. The date is May 28th. Just a few days remain till June, which is about halfway through the year. Tell me without flinching. The year hasn't passed by quickly enough, I'm not sure where it's gone. However, what's the deal? Here we are. June is here, and the bull is ready to shift into overdrive. We won't even be able to recognize the prices we are seeing. We're going to discuss Mt. GOX in its current state because many people, as you may know, these headlines are beginning to instill some dread in the public. Do not be concerned about Bitcoin ETP. Today is the day that it will begin trading on the London Stock Exchange. We're going to examine the facial recognition Chainlink ICP AI demo. Brad Gollinghouse will speak to us first, and after that we'll discuss Ripple burning their XRP ESCROW and whether or not that would affect the price of XRP. So please unwind. A treat awaits you. The price of Bitcoin, which is currently at 68,422, has increased by 1% during the last 24 hours. The value of Ethereum, which is currently at 3,903,911, is changing in front of my eyes. However, it's still only 0.6% for the last day. While XRP is up on mean lean 0.53% and comes in at 99 cents, USDT and USDC are both mean lean 53 cents. Gotta love it. Okay, 53 cents to the 5 and 3% mark. Not too bad. The currency mark would only be completely grasped by XRP, and traders would need to exchange 65 billion units at this point. It's quite easy to find out what stage of the market we are in by visiting your preferred cryptocurrency tracking website such as Live CoinWatch, CoinMarketCap, CoinGetGo, or any other website you like. The choice is entirely yours. Simply visit this page and select the most recent 24 hours to view all of the active tokens. Like every major handle in the previous day, correct? Just glance at them by scrolling down. To you, how do they appear to be? Supply coins, incredibly large coins and tokens that won't even exist in a few months without any utility, particularly following this bull cycle. We are currently in the meme coin period, but we will soon emerge from it, so don't worry about the entire amount of money made from them. Where has it disappeared to? It discusses cryptocurrency and the top performers. We're still in the meme coin phase, but the majority will be attending the Bitcoin Summit with theories of maybe investing a little bit in Solana, XRP, etc. A few months ago, it was significantly higher than it is currently, but we will shortly break out of it. Are you not concerned that you neglected to check out the store? It's now open. International shipping is currently free for everyone. Where you reside has no bearing on where you are. Shipping is free for you. These whiskey glasses have engravings on them. Those are the best-selling items. Those tumblers are on their way. We're going to make some personalized puzzle pillows, and I have the Stanley Cup tumblers coming as well. Name it. I'm carrying it out. Get it here with free shipping. Using a credit card to pay for cryptocurrency if there's something you want but can't find on there, just pay for some cryptocurrency merchandise. I don't care how you pay. Send me a direct message. They're open on Twitter at the moment, selling XRP, or a reliable bull cryptocurrency says. Keep your focus on the big picture. What news about Mt. GOX is he referring to because of a few? How's Mt. GOX doing? It's actually quite easy. People are panicking, as you can observe a lot of movement from the Mt. GOX Bitcoin wallet. They anticipate that the price of Bitcoin will drop to around $10,000. People stay with the plan. This cycle will end when the bull runs over Mt. GOX. Crypto Response that released it, he remarks, it appears that the amount of Bitcoin that was sent out from the Mt. GOX wallet today is the same as it has been for the past 5 years. And guess what? Bitcoin was unconcerned. Didn't give a damn, it moved nonetheless. It will continue to move. You're done there. Nick disclosed more than 42,000 Bitcoin. From Mt. GOX, 42,000 Bitcoin users were transferred to unidentified wallets holding 9 billion Bitcoin. As part of the repayment plans, many people anticipated sell pressure to be applied to a single address. They believe that all of this Bitcoin will simply be thrown into the markets, that the price of Bitcoin will drop again, and that the market will end. The bear market is about to arrive. As reliable cryptocurrency said, stick to the headlines, ignore this right, stick to the prior charts. It was a good run that we had to overlook. This is not a novel situation. When this previously occurred, what effect did Bitcoin have? Well, Bitcoin achieved its goal. Nothing is preventing it. It will reach 100,000 in this year. We should peak between 130 and 170. Perhaps observe that 2 to 250. It's nothing, but people are starting to grow scared and shaken. Don't forget that it's that psychological game once more. Today marks the launch of Bitcoin ETP trading on the London Stock Exchange. This is a significant increase in revenue. Keep in mind that while every ETP is an exchange-traded product ETP, not every ETF is an ETF. What is this, a major development on the stock exchange that will attract more capital? Are you curious about how much larger coins will rise? To those six-figure areas immediately now, place it on one stock exchange. listed on these global stock exchanges, attract large investors, and as more people get interested in Bitcoin, the price of the Lux line rises. NFT.com. Star Wars NFTs are currently in style. We're the top NFT project on the XRP ledger, which is something you should be aware of right now. The more you keep, the more additional you receive back each and every month. We are spending over $100 on Chainlink this cycle. As I told you, we were in the $8 to $10 zone. That was the time to sign up for our 10x while we did a fast refresh. I have discussed Chainlink on this channel before, and I will continue to do so. We can examine the Chainlink chart, which is currently up 5.2% and costs $18. You still have time to invest in this, even if you know that the next aim for Chainlink will be between $20 and $22. There you have it. Chainlink awoke from a critical area with probably from this point on, there will be a continuation and a low. A price increase of between 150 and 300% wouldn't surprise me. The price of this item increases by 300%. That's a carry to 22 of 1624. Currently, you are examining a $50 Chainlink. It is going to be huge. It will undoubtedly be enormous. Chainlink has defied the correction of the market. High and $20 are on the loose. Yes, Oracle service provider Chainlink has taken significant action to identify the correction in the market and rising 6% on the previous day as a press time. Chainlink saw an increase of more than 5%, closing at $18.21. Talks regarding the same chart may be found elsewhere. We recently discussed and the potential impending move. Our shared area with Swift will be replaced by discussions about Chainlinks. They will reach a consensus as they descend in. Texas, this is it. People Chainlinks will help us profit handsomely from this bull market cycle. ICP will rise again. We discussed their AI demo, which will include facial recognition. The AI will be really powerful. ICP will be enormous. We're looking at spending $12 on it, which is almost nothing. This is going to be administered in the range of 100 to 300. We are in a slight consolidation phase. This is going to be another one that runs and moves when it moves. We were up over $20 over the previous few months, which wasn't terrible at all. This thing is going to blow up. It's also coming together. This is going to force us to relocate. Let's examine how high we were within the last 90 days. You see, we were ahead by $18. That's what I first believed in April. And then we kind of went on a run. You know, we descended from 11 to 18. Near the bottom of it, we're making corrections. What will happen next? It's going to take off. And now they're releasing a facial recognition demo. Hi there, talk about large people. That's rather large, you know. Now that I understand that Tether is a non-US company and that the US is pursuing that, Brad Garlinghouse stated that Ripple, a US-based company that prioritizes compliance, has a significant role to play in this regard regarding the Ripple stablecoin. Pay close attention to the participants in that area. A new bill to create some stablecoin legislation was introduced in the Senate yesterday, which I think is a positive step toward the realization that at last we might be getting some forward momentum there. However, I believe that the market is going to grow significantly. One company in particular called Tether is not based in the United States, and the United States is quite frankly kind of going after that because they want this to be regulated. A US-based athlete that prioritizes compliance, in my opinion, can play a big part. The players there are excellent. And see, I wish I had just stopped it for the players in that area, especially the one who said, I messed it up again, observe the steady cryptocurrency market that we have here. The participants in that specific area, which is 150 billion today, will be there in just 4.5 years. The stablecoin market is anticipated to be valued at $8 trillion. Although Ripple is entering the stablecoin space for a purpose, everyone's main concern is that Ripples will eventually leave XRP. All they will do is use a stablecoin. A shocking revelation for you is that the stablecoin is constructed out atop the XRP ledger, just like everything built down atop the XRP ledger. What do you think he uses? XRP Ripple is merely positioning itself in a clever manner. Brad is 100% aware of something. Brad is aware that they are constantly ahead of the curve and that something is happening. They are legal specialists with a rippling effect. CTO verifies a fire or Ripple's XRP escrow would serve no purpose. Here's what I think about it, correct? Stella Burney was in the escrow. Yes, there was about 7% price increase, but it quickly dropped again. We are not here to make fast throws. We wouldn't be an XRP if we were, as there is nothing expedient about it. Apart from putting it on the blockchain, that is. We experienced very modest price movement even after 7 years here. Believe me. I understand if I share my tale with you, but please add cash to the chain in lieu of XRP. By now, I would have retired 4 times, but that's what we're considering. Bernie Escrow predicts what will occur. Nothing at all appropriate, not even in terms of pricing. You do realize that this will be the same thing over and over again. However, what if the Ripple burns the escrow? We would be looking at that, but as far as price gains on it go, they are dumping back into the market and increasing the overall quantity of XRP every month since they are unable to sell it. That's what will change. Nothing will change when you look at XLM. However, we would make it more difficult for Ripple to sell it, which, hey, because you know they listen, I'm not against it. This is nothing new to us. Will pass through us once more. They market, does it matter or does it impact us? It does so because everything they sell needs to be purchased in order for us to get our money back. Back to square one, after which those additional walls can be taken down. However, nothing significant will happen in terms of its pricing in the near future, folks. Don't burn the Bernie escrow. It won't affect price in the same way that XLM had no effect at all.